Christmas tutorial using the Sultry palette, what it looks like. And I'm filming this on my iPhone. I'm still in the process of figuring out how to be able to import my videos onto my computer. So my computer is this guy back here. It is the new MacBook Pro, and ever since I got it, I got it almost exactly a year ago today because I got it for Christmas last year. Not been able to download. No, I keep saying download. I have not been able to import my footage from my camera on there directly. I've been having to import it through my old MacBook Air. So I've been having to do that. So it's been a very long process because my Air has no memory at all. So I've been having to delete everything I import right away. And then having to airdrop it to my MacBook. It's been a process. I bought the extension piece to it to stick in my memory card because I tried even connecting my camera directly, and it's saying I have to set it up with Sony, blah, 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 and it's just like a whole long process. So I've been opting out. So all of my Vlogmases have been filmed on my iPhone, and I had the iPhone X, and it's over there on the bed as well. But my boyfriend gifted me the iPhone XS Max, so the new big version of the iPhone, for my birthday. He gave it to me a few days ago, so it was a late birthday present, but I was waiting for the SIM cards to get in because apparently the iPhone X and the XS Max are not compatible. Like, the SIM cards in them are not compatible for each other. So I was waiting to get that, and I finally got it. So yeah, that's what I'm filming on now. I can say the quality, it looks very good. I'm filming with natural lighting right now. The only thing is, it does zoom in to your face a lot. So like, this is the regular settings. And I want to say the phone is at least like 2 feet away from me, but it still seems like it's very much so in my face. And when I'm holding it and my arm like only reaches out this far, it looks like I'm this close. So I think I need like a wide angle lens or something to put onto the front camera, because the back camera is fine, but recording yourself on the back camera is very hard because you cannot see. So I am gonna figure that situation out. But the quality is so good that I don't even think I need to be using my camera right at this moment, especially with the daily vlogs. It's just so much easier to hook up your phone to your laptop and drop all of the footage into there. So I'm like always like struggling to like edit and film and like get content for Vlogmas and everything, and like not have it be repetitive, because I literally do the same thing pretty much every day, especially with Christmas coming up. It's just been a lot of shopping, so I've been trying to figure my life out and like what is more interesting, because me being at the mall 24/7 is not that interesting. So I'm trying to figure out what kind of vibe I want to go for in my vlog. And Vlogmas is almost over. I cannot believe it. The month of December is almost over. It's literally more than halfway through. Today is Vlogmas day 19. I'm shook, to say the least. Like, I have no idea how it's gone by so fast. So this is the Kapari Coconut Rose Toner. And I got this a long time ago, but I really like it. I like to keep my face moisturized. If you guys don't know, I have pretty much dry skin. So the more moisture I can get in there, the better. So I also put some lotion on my face. So this is the Purity Moisturizer. And then this is Ole Henriksen Visual Truth Eye Cream. So I love his banana eye cream, but that stuff is so expensive. And this is like, I'm assuming a discontinued eye cream that he had, because it was at Marshall's and I got it for like, I want to say like $12.99 or something crazy like that. And these usually go for like that $30 range for eye cream. And that is absolutely insane. So I have this one in here. I've been like obsessed with eye cream, just because, I mean, preventative care is the best care you can take for your skin. I do not want any like, you know, wrinkles or crow's feet or anything prematurely. So I've been trying to get my life together and put on my creams, and I've been trying to get David to put on his creams as well. Wish me luck on that. David is like the opposite of a skincare person, like completely. He hates stuff on his face. He has dry skin, and he has eczema. So he should be moisturizing way more, but he does not. But he's kind of been like trying to inch his way into skincare, so I've been helping him kind of use my products that's kind of like good for his skin too. So I gave him like the lightest moisturizer. Does he put it on every day? I would hope so, but do I know for sure? I have no idea. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to do my regular foundation routine. So if you guys don't know what it is right now, I did it in another video, but I probably skimmed through it. So right now I put on my lotions, my primers, everything. So the primer I used today was the Benefit Professional. This is usually my go-to. I also like to use this. So this is like the travel size of the Tatcha that I got for my birthday. So I like to use either of those, because those kind of fill in your pores and smooth out your skin. And then my Bye Bye Under Eye is my go-to. Always have to have it. So after I prime everything, my skin and everything, I always go in and put this in my dark circles and then my blemishes, whatever I have that day going on, and I buff that out, blend it in and everything. Then I usually go in with my eyeshadow for the day. I have no idea what the look I'm gonna do for it today is, but I know I'm gonna focus it on Christmas, like what I would wear for going over for Christmas to your family's house or something. So I know I'm gonna figure something out with that, but I'm going to go ahead, put this on. I am using the Too Faced Do You Full Coverage Foundation. I've used this in another video before in one of the Vlogmases, so if you guys haven't seen that, I will link it down below and kind of put it little asterisks, because I always have my Vlogmases, my previous Vlogmases in my bio, so I try to keep that updated. So if you guys are watching a video, you guys can always look in the down bar below so you guys can see if you missed any and you want to go ahead and click it right away. I also have a Vlogmas playlist, so you can watch all of them, binge watch them. If you guys haven't already, I definitely recommend. It's always good, like, I don't want to say I'm like background music or something like, but I mean, I like to watch vlogs and I also like to have it in the background. So if you guys seen in my earlier part, I tried to do my morning routine, and I showed you guys me editing, and while I was editing I was watching reruns of videos I've already watched. So like I Love Sade's video was playing with her and Sebas, and they were talking about all of the Christmas gifts that everyone would love. That is a really good video, so if you guys haven't watched that, definitely do that. But I've already watched it before, so I just had it replaying on the TV, and you know, you just like to hear it. So if you guys wanted to do that with my videos, feel free. I will get back with you when I have one eye done, so I know what kind of look I'm doing. Show you guys how to recreate it, and then we'll go ahead and skip through to the final look, so it's not too crazy long. So yeah, I hope you guys liked my babbling. I will be back. Alright, so this is the eye look that I went for. Something very simple, but looks like you put a lot of effort into it. So what I did was I took the color Birch from the palette, so this guy right here, and put this all over my crease. And then I took the color Dystopian, which is a dark brown, and put that in the inner corner and outer corner of my eye, bringing it up towards the middle of my crease. And then what I did is I took the Batter Up long wearing eyeshadow stick from the Balm, and I used that as a base to kind of create this halo effect on the eye. And then I topped that off with the Rose Quartz shade. Like I said, I'm taking the color Birch and putting that all over the higher point of my crease, bringing it in towards the inner corner as well. This all blends in great. So I'm using this with a fluffier brush, and then I'm taking a smaller crease brush to get that shade Dystopian and placing it on the outer corner. And then I'm just gonna take this I always take it up higher on this eye than the other eye. Let me see. Taking that shade Rose Quartz on a flat brush and packing it on top of where I laid that shadow stick. And what this is gonna do is just gonna make it stand out even more. And then I go back in with a little bit of Dystopian and just darken this up. And then with the smaller brush, I'm just going to take a little bit of Fresh, which is a nice white shade, and set the underbrow. And there we go for the eye look. Last step, I just add a little bit of a liquid liner. I'm gonna go ahead, do my foundation, finish the rest of my face, and I'll show you the finished look. So I'm gonna go in with Mary from Kylie Cosmetic for my lip color. The actual pencil keeps falling in. Leave it at that. Oh look, this is so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and add on my Bad Girl Bang mascara. This is my favorite thing right now, and I will come back with my hair looking a little bit better. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys wanted any more details on what I have on or how I applied anything, definitely let me know. But I hope that the eye look was very helpful. This Mary shade is really working for me. I'm done getting ready. I'm gonna clean up here. I've been trying to keep my room clean. I cleaned it on Monday and it is still clean. My love sack does not have anything on it. We're making progress here, people. This is the sweater I got from my gift exchange with my cousin. So my cousin Illy got me this and it's going great with this look. But yeah, I literally haven't ate all day and it's like 2 p.m. So I think it's time to find something to eat because I am starving. Oh, I think I'm gonna do a little cheese and crackers. I think I want to make some cookies. I have cookie dough. So I'm gonna make cookies. Not to eat right now, obviously. But I'm gonna do that. I don't know if there's food, but like, I don't know what I can make right now. I'll figure it out. But for now, I'm gonna make myself a cheese and cracker platter. Guys, so that was very quick. I just made them in 12 minutes. So I just took them out of the pan so they're cooling. I don't have a drying rack, so that's why they're just on the counter. But I just wanted to leave them. I didn't want them to burn in the pan. So yeah, I can't wait to eat these. I'm gonna let them chill for probably like 30 minutes before I even try to touch them. But yeah, I lit some candles.